Hello, Lehigh Carbon Community College. My name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at the college, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today, I'm going to offer this piece of advice I like to give students, and that is to create a support sheet. There's a lot of supports for you here at Lehigh Carbon Community College. There are learning specialists, there's tutors, there's advisors, there's counselors, there's your faculty members, there's security, there is success coaches, there's librarians, there's tons of supports for you, right? What you want to do is get the contact information organized. Get one sheet of paper, right, ideally digital, right? Get the name and title of the person or department, the physical location, phone number, email address, and URL if applicable, right? Now you want to gather all this information in one sheet, again, maybe a digital sheet of some type, because when you're stressed out and you're trying to find things, you got where's that information, it's nice you have this go-to. All right, so I'm about out of time, so get working on creating those report sheets. See you all later.